Enjoy your milk, our little friend.
Today we will prepare a fresh roast turkey from our farm.
Fresh ingredients always bring the best flavor. Please bring fresh herbs and vegetables for seasoning.
These fresh ingredients will enhance our turkey of.
Let's prepare everything cleanly and carefully.
Always clean the turkey thoroughly before cooking.
Clean ingredients are essential for healthy cooking.
Prepare the turkey carefully for even cooking.
Chop everything evenly for better flavor.
This seasoning will give our turkey a rich taste.
Coat the turkey well for full flavor.
Stuffing helps keep the turkey moist.
Secure the turkey to keep everything inside.
Preheat the oven for roasting.
Let's roast it slowly until golden.
Maintain steady heat for even cooking.
Keep it moist for a juicy result.
Turn it carefully for even roasting.
It is becoming beautifully roasted. The turkey is roasting nicely and releasing rich aroma. Basting helps keep the turkey juicy and flavorful.
Look at this beautiful golden color forming.
Let's prepare a simple sauce to enhance the flavor.
Simmer the sauce slowly to deepen the taste.
A little more seasoning will make it perfect.
Turning ensures even roasting on all sides.
Now we let it cook slowly to perfection.
Keeping the kitchen clean is very important.
Let's prepare a beautiful presentation.
Our turkey is now perfectly roasted.
Let's take it out carefully.
Now we move to serving.
Presentation makes the dish even more appealing.
Let's enjoy our meal together.
This looks absolutely delicious.
Let's taste the result of our work.
It's tender, juicy, and full of flavor.
This is perfectly cooked and delicious.
Cooking together always brings joy and great taste.
Adding sauce makes it even richer.
Let me serve you another piece.
Cooking together makes everything better.
Yes, it brings happiness to our life.
That was a wonderful meal.
Now it's time to relax by the pool.
Let's enjoy a refreshing swim.
The water feels so relaxing.
This is the perfect ending to our day.
It makes the moment even more joyful.
I really enjoyed today. I really enjoyed today.
Me too. It was a beautiful experience.
Now we can rest peacefully.
This place always feels so calm.
Thank you for joining us today.
If you love our couple and what we do, please subscribe and like to support us. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.